Flavorful coffee chicken recipe, a unique twist on a classic dish. Hey there, foodies. Today, we're going to shake things up in the kitchen with a unique and flavorful recipe, coffee chicken. Yes, you heard it right, coffee-infused chicken that's guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds. So, grab your apron and let's get cooking. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of brewed coffee, strongly brewed, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a small bowl, mix together the smoked paprika, ground cumin, chili powder, salt, black pepper, and brown sugar. Set aside. Heat the olive oil in a large oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat. Season both sides of the chicken breasts with the spice mixture, ensuring they are well coated. Once the skillet is hot, add the seasoned chicken breasts and cook for about 3-4 minutes on each side, or until they are nicely browned. Remove the chicken breasts from the skillet and set them aside on a plate. In the same skillet, add the minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute, or until fragrant. Pour in the brewed coffee and balsamic vinegar, stirring to combine and scrape up any browned bits from the bottom of the skillet. Return the chicken breasts to the skillet, nestling them into the sauce. Transfer the skillet to the preheated oven and bake for 20-25 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Once cooked, remove the skillet from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes. Garnish the coffee chicken with freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and added freshness. Serve hot, alongside your favorite sides, and prepare to be amazed by the rich flavors of this coffee chicken dish. And there you have it, folks. A tantalizing coffee chicken recipe that's sure to impress your family and friends. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious culinary creations. Until next time, happy cooking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.